Hey, what's going on, guys? This is Matt with Audio Designs and Custom Graphics here in Jacksonville, Florida. And then behind us, I got a 2013 Cadillac Escalade ESV Platinum. Pretty cool vehicle. We went ahead, we got our friend Nate here. We did a bunch of audio install for him. A bunch of high-end stuff, Mosconi, Focal K2, Focal Utopia. Really just an overall high-end build. We paired it all together with the Kenwood Excelon head unit, so it's all high-res audio. So why don't you come over here, we'll go ahead and take a look and go over our custom fabrication in the trunk. This is one of my favorite parts of this build. This is a custom box that we built and designed in-house. The base of it is CNC, and then the rest of it, our CNC actually went down midway through building it. And so the rest of this is all these panels here are handmade by our techs in-house. And it houses the Mosconi amplifiers and the Morel sub amp. It's a 4th order enclosure. So the subs are both sealed and ported for a full dynamic range. As you can see here, we sueded out the inside of the enclosure, as well as we got those Morel Ultimo subs in there, looking absolutely awesome with a custom plexiglass face. We'll go ahead and take it to the front, where we have the Kenwood Excelon unit in the dash. Super high-end unit. We got the Mosconi DSP controller mounted up there as well, custom fit. We did custom suede finish for the dash. On the front pillars, we custom made these A pillars to house the Focal Utopia mid-range, as well as the Focal Frac tweeters. And then the doors, we went ahead and installed the Focal K2 Power M 6.5-inch mid-bass drivers, and then the K2 coaxials in the back. Whole vehicle sound treated. The entire roof is sound deadened. The doors have 2 layers of sound deadening, so there's one on the outside of the door as well as on the inside. And the complete floor is sound treated, so it has pretty much all the way as high as you can go for sound treatment and audio quality. The whole system's tuned and phase corrected and everything on a JL Max through a Mosconi DSP. So I mean, it is about as high fidelity as you can get without spending boatloads of money for the smallest bit in increase in SQ. I got Nate here. This is actually Nate's Escalade. He brought it to us. You had it at another shop before, correct?
Did.
Yeah, he did. He had another shop. I guess you don't have to call out the shop, but the reason why you brought it to us instead of them?
Yeah, it had improper wiring. It had not really been executed to the quality I was expecting of it, you know. And
yeah,
there's a difference between SPL installs and there's a difference between SQ, and it was kind of getting the SPL approach, and I wanted the SQ.
Yeah, 100%. Here at Audio Designs, we differentiate from most shops in the area. We focus highly on sound quality and proper installs. We take our time and run everything to the highest degree of quality versus rushing through it and going for output. So that difference shows as far as how the sound sounds and how the install is performed. Go over a little bit, I guess, why you chose the equipment that you chose, what you're kind of going for in your entire build and what your goal was.
Well, as silly as it is, Cadillac is named after Monte del Cadillac. That was a French explorer that was governor of Louisiana, founded Detroit, and that's why General Motors named it after Cadillac. I went with Focal. They're a French company, named after a French man. It just seemed right.
Yeah.
But also, Focal is a very high-quality brand. That was the first system I ever heard that blew me away as far as quality goes.
Yeah.
Was a Focal system, and you know, with home audio, they're just killing it in the game.
Yeah, 100%.
So I wanted to go with them, and then Mosconi is just well raved about in all the SQ forums. You see it in a lot of high-end builds.
Mm-hmm.
I'd never heard one before, but I decided that's the route I wanted to go.
Yeah.
Get the Italian touch to it.
Oh yeah.
So,
and how would you say the system so far after installation and everything that we've done, how have you liked it as far as our tuning and whatnot?
So the tuning for the SQ, you get that really beautiful front center stage. Mm-hmm. The singer is right there, front center. If you have a guitarist or bassist that's panned left or right, you can close your eyes and you can almost imagine that you're in the front row.
Yeah. On
preset 2, we did more of a rear fill sound. Mm-hmm. It's not, it doesn't take away from the SQ, but it's almost more like putting a high-end headphone setup on with really warm sound like tube amps.
Yeah.
And then you got preset 3, that's for the folks that want to sit in passenger seat. And I gave them the exact same experience I had in my driver's seat. now just thrown in the passenger seat.
Yeah.
Preset 4 is just valet mode, safety, keep from having a mechanic or a valet.
Yeah,
blow
crank
your,
on
blow
it
your
and,
stuff.
and
Yeah.
blow your stuff up. I mean, this setup is truly a high-end setup in every regard as far as custom fabrication goes, equipment. I mean, no expense was spared, or no expense was spared on this build. I mean, it has everything that's top-notch, which, as you can see from the equipment and the fabrication work. And yeah, I guess other than that, I mean, how would you say? Would you recommend us to anybody else?
Oh yeah, dude, I recommend you guys all the time already.
Yeah.
You know, telling all the clientele that's really wanting something, you know, a little more than what you're going to get at your other turn 'em and burn 'em type of audio shop. You're definitely going to get a little more attention to detail. Anywhere you want to, you know, put a little extra in,
Yeah.
you're going to get that, and you guys listen.
Yeah.
That's what matters.
Yeah.
And yeah, I mean, really happy with the end result. You know?
Oh yeah, yeah. We like to specialize in that. I mean, anything, whether it's a basic speaker install, you know, your speakers are blown, you want some new ones, or if you want to go all the way to kingpin baller status systems, we do it all. And you got a barbershop, right? You own a barbershop
Yes,
here in
sir.
Jacksonville?
I'm over in Orange Park, Nathan's Tonsorial Parlor, across the street from the Walmart, right there before college.
Okay.
Coming up on my 10 years.
Oh,
December 2nd will be
congratulations.
10-year anniversary for us.
There you go.
Doing good enough to afford a hoopty like this.
Yeah. And what's the information for your shop? We can shout you out here in the
So
video.
I'm over at 920 Blanding Boulevard, Suite 3,
Mm-hmm.
Orange Park, Florida. You can call us at 904-276-0406. We're a walk-in only barbershop, old school traditional, hot towel shaves, everything you could want. You want a big old pompadour, I got you.
Well, Nathan, I appreciate it's been a
appreciate
pleasure
you guys,
working with
man.
you, and we
It's
look
great
forward to
time,
doing
man.
more work for you in the future.
Yeah, man. Well, take care.
Well, as you can see, everything's all well here at Audio Design for this Escalade. It's been an awesome build to do. Been super fun, super cool working with Nate. Y'all go check him out. We'll link his socials below. If you ever need anything done on your vehicle, whether it's simple speaker replacements, window tint, or anything up to high-end custom lighting, custom audio, custom fabrication, we do it all here at Audio Design and Custom Graphics. You can find us at 10329 Atlantic Boulevard in Jacksonville, Florida. Or you can give us a call, 904-333-2322, or email us at info.audiodesigns@gmail.com. Thanks for watching. Y'all have a great day.